Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whales. There are many different types of whales, but did you know that the biggest animal that has ever lived is a whale? The biggest whale that has ever existed is the blue whale. Blue whales can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh about 200 tons. That's as long as 3 school buses and as heavy as 33 elephants. Their huge bodies are not just for show. They need all that bulk to help them stay warm in the cold ocean water and to make the most of their massive size. Blue whales have a special circulatory system that helps keep their blood at the right temperature no matter how cold the water gets. And their blubber layer acts like a warm jacket, helping them to stay cozy in the chilly depths. Now, because of their massive size, blue whales need to eat a lot of food to stay healthy. They mostly eat tiny crustaceans called krill, and they can eat up to 4,000 tons of krill every day. It's like eating 8,000 double Big Macs. To get all that food, they open up their enormous mouths and take big gulps of water. Then they use their baleen plates to filter out the krill. Baleen plates are made up of lots of tiny hairs that act like a screen to catch food. The krill get caught in the screen, and then the whale swallows them down. Blue whales are also known for being very social animals. They like to travel in groups called pods, and they communicate with each other by making all kinds of sounds. These sounds can be heard from miles away underwater, and they help the whales find each other in the dark ocean depths. Scientists have even started to figure out what the whales are saying to each other. Some of their calls are very loud, like the roar of a lion. Other sounds are more like the songs of humpback whales. Some scientists think that these sounds are like songs that the whales sing to attract mates. Others think they might be warning calls to let other whales know when there's danger nearby. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are surprisingly graceful creatures. They can swim at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, and they can dive to depths of up to 2,000 feet. That's deeper than the Empire State Building is tall. When they dive, they have to fill their lungs with air to help keep their bodies from collapsing under the pressure of the deep sea. Blue whales can hold their breath for up to an hour, which allows them to stay underwater for a long time. While the blue whale is the largest animal that has ever lived, it's not the oldest. There are some ancient whales that have been around for millions of years. The bowhead whale, for example, is an ancient whale species that has been around for over 10 million years. So old that it was swimming in the oceans, while humans were still living in trees. Bowhead whales can live for up to 200 years, which means that some of them were alive during the American Revolution. Another amazing thing about whales is their intelligence. Whales are highly intelligent creatures with brains that are as big as 20 pounds. That's bigger than a human brain. They are also very curious animals, and they've been known to approach boats and even try to touch people. However, despite their cuteness, whales can be dangerous. Their massive size and strength make them potentially deadly predators. There have been cases of whales dragging boats and even biting sharks, so it's best to admire them from a safe distance. Whales are truly amazing creatures. They're big and beautiful, intelligent and graceful, and they're also very important for the health of our planet. So let us do our part to protect them and make sure that future generations can marvel at these gentle giants of the ocean. Thank you for watching. See you next time.